We were about to sleep in the evening. So tairara 5 because I think my numbers are even numbers. So we were about to sleep, and then one of ours happened to go toilet because she on the bachelor point. So we couldn't need a toilet. She was going to the toilet, so Seuraki was directly under. So I think Bakaisama fluorescent is replacing bulbs. So the snake was peeping through a hole of one of those, and they had to cura. It was a very big snake, a brown one. So pakatodaro takatombootanga tamurabhisha tichiti iwe shamwari wenyoka munomusewa. Then we all looked, oh my god, the worst nightmare happened. We just froze. Joanna froze in manheru tatokirwa madhoo. So we screamed, and then the people were next door because we couldn't even scream with nyoka. Tanga tango to sticker. And then paper next door kazoti chimba taudzwa kuti nyoka. So yairamba ichitonge iri kuda kupipa ichanodona pafloor. So ndo zvatanga takutya now. So pakazo the response was I think 30 minutes later because vanenge vari mumagadroom vachigada macells. So they came out on dinner. She said, so you know we don't have keys. Because my keys mtemo wejeri ndoti anokirwa in one locker. Then they are taken by the officer in charge who will not be at the premises. So now we're in fear. So pakazoya later. And at least they got a chance to see the snake also peeping.
So how did they deal with it?
So Mapsen was transferred to another cell in Fonda National Parks.
No, not Mapsen. We transferred that night. Very same night.
Yeah, but the calling of the national parks was done the next morning.
So national parks came to collect it?
It did not come immediately. So when a lawyer Rose, the director of Zetembesha, then came. Yes, I think she then pushed because she wrote a letter. And got wrote my Jerry, and she was snake repellent and whatnot. Of course, nyoka dzinofamba masingi and whatnot. So I think those are super pressure. The third day, takatozopiwa ma options ekuti moita sei since pasati pagadzirwa. Because the people for construction from Chikurubi were saying we can't kuvhara maholes without national parks doing something. So it means the snake will still be there.
So it was still there?
It was still there. So ndopatakazonorara kunonzi isolation. So in COVID times, that's why people were not nobody. So we opted there because we had concrete ceiling. So at least we slept safe that day. And then the next morning, Takamuka Mavaro was national parks had not come. It then only came later. There spray some pure or repellent. Then they said they would come to pick it. So they killed it, but it's still there because they didn't come take it. We never saw them take it. So it also the ceilings are just a matter of their ticking time. One of collapse at any time. I know now he was running it was the worst.
That's fight.
No, it was terrible.
Rubber snake share to the food.
You know, bullet, you know, try but what do you do with the snake?
Now we just froze.
So the good thing is
on Monday, actually, the Commissioner General Bagazoya on Monday. I think after that incident,
the new Commissioner General.
The new Commissioner General, because I think Rose Hans then wrote to national parks as well as to the to the prisons. So he then came on Monday. He kept his visit. It was nice of him because from our side we felt the prisons did all they could, but there was no one trained because the same night yatakaona nyoka masikati achona nasekuru vakwaya kurescue vakazonoonawo nyoka kusango outside Chikurubi female. So vakango suspecta kungoti dzakatowanda. So ivo vanga vasina munhu ane ruzivo rezvenyoka. So CG then came, he was just asking kuti makagara zvakanaka here, was the case solved, how do you feel about it, and we're very clear kuti look, even ceiling yacho is dilapidated because havakwanise kuvhara all the holes because kutongoisa kungoruda kuroverera panobva pacho breaker and we don't know how many snakes are there. So imagine.